St. Mary's Foundation is the fulfillment of a promise made to our Virgin Mother Mary by Dr. and Mrs. Nabil El Sayed to share with poor people in our communities the many gifts of life. Since 1993 they have physically and financially assisted Sister Leia's poverty program, which she started in 1986 at St. Peter and Paul Parish Convent, Wilmington, California. The doctor held free medical clinics for the poor, the uninsured and marginalized citizens, in conjunction with Sister Leia's program. In 1998, St. Mary's Literacy Center was established and offices connected to Dr. El Sayed's Wilmington Medical Office. After several years and changes in personnel, the focus of St. Mary's Foundation turned to the increasing needs of the elderly people in the Wilmington area that had remained unaddressed. The foundation elected a board of directors and became an official non-profit organization conforming to the laws of the state of California. Land was purchased at 10 and Broad Streets in Wilmington to build a senior rehabilitation center. The ground was cleared and architectural building plans were drawn. In 2004, St. Mary's Foundation and the Taiwan Tzu-Chi Buddhist Foundation began a serious collaboration to build on the Saint property a senior rehabilitation center and free dental clinic. This project will be operational in 2009. Activities of St. Mary's Foundation are open to the needs of seniors wherever they can be helped. In neighboring Mexico, assistance is being given to the Home for the Elderly run by the Daughters of Charity of St. Vincent de Paul in Ensenada, the Home for the Elderly run by the Carmelite Sisters of the Sacred Heart in Guadalajara, and in Tijuana a center is providing adult daycare, rehabilitation, medical and dental services free to needy senior citizens and their families. Tijuana, Mexico, border city with the U.S., home to millions both rich and poor. A city where elderly, disabled and sick people live without health care. Oftentimes they are abandoned by families who lack the financial need to support them. A city of shanty towns built on the sides of shaky hills, mostly without power or running water. Dr. El Sayed, Sister Ina, Joe Wong, Jesus Narino, and other friends visited some of these poor people in January 2006. The sights that met their eyes were incredible. Their hearts were deeply moved with compassion for these people, and St. Marius Foundation decided that they would build a center of love and hope in Colonia Herrera, Tijuana. The center will work closely with Senora Yuya and her friends, who have been helping these poor people from their own resources for nearly 10 years now. By March 2006, an old factory/warehouse was purchased. Plans were drawn, and the building demolished. By December 2006, the ground was ready to be blessed, and the cornerstone laid. It was a happy day in spite of high winds and cold weather. Mass of Thanksgiving was celebrated, and fiesta followed with mariachis and gifts for all. March 2007, the new building is well underway. Dr. El Sayed and board members inspect the progress plan for the opening and operation of the center. May 2007, Santa Maria de la Caridad Center is ready for blessing and solemn opening. St. Marius Foundation board members are on hand with bishops and local dignitaries. The ribbon is cut. A traditional Chinese dance ensures the blessings of peace and harmony on this new venture. The drum is silent. The evil one has been vanquished. The intermingling of cultures is also July 2007, the doors opened to welcome elderly, sick, disadvantaged seniors. They were so happy to get a shower, clean clothes, and a healthy meal. The Santa Maria de la Caridad volunteers want to help finance this wonderful project, so they organize a fundraiser. October 2007, a busload of medical helpers from the United States come to Colonia Herrera for the opening health fair. Medical students from Tijuana and Ensenada come to help. Patients are registered and ID cards are issued. A Red Cross ambulance, no longer being used, is purchased and refitted. This enables the doctor and assistant to go to places where medical help is needed. September 20, 2008, 300 more than elderly people gathered under a huge highway bridge, and doctors, nurses, aides, and helpers reviewed their medical condition, gave them medication, and fed them. Identities were recorded, and patients needing follow-up were encouraged to go to La Clínica in Colonia Herrera. St. Marius Foundation board members, volunteers, and friends from the United States attend. Everyone is amazed at how much the seniors have improved since coming to the clinic.